Have you ever found yourself wondering if you can directly invest in the very platform that empowers your trading decisions? We're talking about TradingView, that indispensable tool many of us rely on daily for charts, analysis, and a vibrant community. It's a natural question to ask, especially when you consider how integral TradingView has become to the modern trader's toolkit. From its intuitive interface to its comprehensive data, it's clear TradingView offers immense value. But does that value translate into a direct investment opportunity for the average person? Well, let's dive into that. TradingView, as many of you know, is a privately held company. This means it's not publicly traded on any stock exchange like the Nasdaq or New York Stock Exchange. So, if you were hoping to log into your brokerage account and search for TV or TradingView to buy shares, you'd be out of luck. It simply isn't an option for retail investors in the same way you might buy shares of Apple or Google. This private status isn't unusual for many successful tech companies in their growth phase. It allows them to focus on product development and expansion without the constant scrutiny and quarterly reporting demands of public markets. It also means that ownership is typically concentrated among founders, early investors, and potentially employees through stock options or grants. So, while you can't directly buy shares of TradingView on the open market, does that mean there are absolutely no avenues to participate in its success? Not entirely, but the options are far more limited and typically require a different level of investment and access. For instance, sophisticated investors or venture capital firms might have opportunities to invest in private funding rounds. These are usually highly exclusive and involve substantial capital commitments, far beyond what most individual investors would consider. There's also the possibility that if TradingView were to go public in the future through an initial public offering, IPO, then retail investors would finally have their chance to buy shares. However, there's no public timeline or even guarantee that an IPO will happen. In the meantime, how can you invest in TradingView in a broader sense? By utilizing its features to enhance your own trading strategies, you are, in a way, investing in your own financial future, leveraging the tools TradingView provides. By engaging with their community, providing feedback, and even advocating for the platform, you're contributing to its ecosystem and overall value proposition. While it's not a direct financial investment in the company itself, it's an investment in the power of the platform and what it enables you to achieve. So, while the answer to can you invest in TradingView, in the traditional sense is currently no, understanding why opens up a broader perspective on how private companies operate and the different ways value is created and shared in the financial world. It highlights the distinction between using a powerful tool and directly owning a piece of the company behind it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.